Hey everyone, and welcome back to My Life, My Rules. It's so good to have you here. So, let's be real for a sec. How many of us have a gorgeous wig, maybe for a special night out, a photo shoot, or just because you love feeling fabulous, but then after a few wears, it starts to look a little, well, tired? You know that feeling, right? That beautiful synthetic hair that once bounced and shone. Now it's looking a bit dull, maybe a little tangled, definitely not its best self. And you're thinking, ugh, now what? How do I get that fresh from the box magic back? If that sounds like you, then you are absolutely in the right place, my friend. Because today we're diving deep into the art of wig maintenance, specifically for synthetic hair. We're talking washing, styling, and bringing your beloved wigs back to life so you can rock them with confidence every single time. And listen, this isn't just about looking good, though that's a huge part of it. It's about feeling good, feeling authentic, and knowing you've got this whole wig thing down. Whether you're a seasoned crossdresser, just starting your journey, or simply someone who loves to experiment with different looks, these tips are going to be a game changer for you. Trust me on this one. So let's get into it. First things first, why is wig maintenance so important? Well, think about it. Your natural hair gets oily, it gets product buildup, it gets exposed to the elements, right? Wigs are no different. Especially synthetic ones. They pick up dust, sweat, makeup residue, and all sorts of environmental bits. And if you're like me, sometimes you're just living your best life, dancing, maybe getting a little hot under the collar, and your wig is right there with you, soaking it all in. That buildup not only makes the wig look dull and lifeless, but it can also shorten its lifespan. And we want our wigs to last, don't we? Absolutely. Okay, let's talk about washing. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. You don't need a special wig salon, just a few simple things you probably already have at home. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a wig brush or a wide-tooth comb. Definitely not your everyday hairbrush. Those bristles are too harsh for synthetic fibers. You'll also need a sink or a basin, some cool or lukewarm water, a gentle shampoo. Baby shampoo works wonders, or a shampoo specifically designed for synthetic wigs, and a conditioner. Again, baby conditioner or wig specific. And finally, a towel and a wig stand or something similar to dry your wig on. Easy peasy, right? Alright, step 1. Dead angle. This is crucial, my dears. Before you even think about water, you need to gently brush or comb out any tangles from your wig. Start from the ends and work your way up to the roots, holding the hair at the base so you're not pulling on the wig cap. Be super gentle, like you're coaxing a secret out of it. We don't want to stretch or damage those fibers. This might take a few minutes, especially if your wig is long or a bit knotty, but trust the process. Patience is a virtue here. Once it's tangle-free, we move to the wash. Fill your sink or basin with cool or lukewarm water. Hot water is a no-go for synthetic wigs. It can damage the fibers and even alter their texture, which we definitely don't want. Add a small amount of your gentle shampoo to the water, just a squirt or two. Swirl it around to create a little lather. Now, gently submerge your wig into the soapy water. Don't scrub it like you're doing laundry. Instead, gently swish it around, letting the shampoo water work its magic to loosen dirt and oils. You can gently squeeze the wig to help the water penetrate, but no aggressive rubbing or twisting. Think of it as a gentle bath, not a wrestling match. Let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. After its bath, it's rinse time. Remove the wig from the soapy water and hold it under cool, running water. Let the water flow through the wig from the roots to the ends until all the shampoo is completely rinsed out. You'll know it's clean when the water runs clear and there are no more suds. Again, no harsh squeezing or wringing. Just a gentle flow. Now for a little TLC. Conditioning. Once all the shampoo is gone, apply a small amount of conditioner to the wig, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. You can gently work it through with your fingers or a wide-tooth comb. Let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. Think of it as a mini spa treatment for your wig. Then, rinse it out thoroughly with cool water, just like before, until all the conditioner is gone. This step is super important for restoring softness and shine, making your wig feel smooth and happy again. Once it's thoroughly rinsed, gently squeeze out any excess water. Don't twist or wring it. Just a gentle squeeze. Then, lay it flat on a clean, dry towel and gently blot it to absorb more water. We're trying to get rid of as much moisture as possible without being rough. Next comes drying. This is where your wig stand comes in handy. Place your wig on the wig stand, making sure it's shaped nicely. Allow it to air dry completely. This can take anywhere from a few hours to overnight, depending on the wig's length and thickness and your room's humidity. Resist the urge to use a hairdryer on a synthetic wig unless it's specifically stated as heat-friendly. Most synthetic wigs can melt or get damaged by direct heat, and honey, we do not want a melted wig. Let nature do its thing. During the drying process, you can periodically gently comb through it to prevent tangles as it dries. Once your wig is completely dry, it's time for styling. This is the fun part where you bring back its original glory, or even give it a little refresh. If your wig has a specific style, like curls or waves, they usually bounce back once it's dry. You might just need to gently finger comb them or use your wide-tooth comb to redefine them. For straight wigs, a gentle brush will bring back that sleek look. If your wig is heat-friendly, you can use low heat settings on your curling iron or straightener, but always do a patch test on an inconspicuous area first. Seriously, you don't want to accidentally melt a visible part of your beautiful hair. And remember, lower heat is always better. For most synthetic wigs, a good shake and a gentle brush are all you need to get it looking fabulous again. You can also use wig-specific styling products like a leave-in conditioner spray or a detangling spray to keep it soft, shiny, and manageable between washes. Just a light mist. You don't want to weigh down the fibers. And when you're not wearing your wig, store it on a wig stand or a mannequin head to help it maintain its shape and prevent tangles. Don't just toss it in a drawer. Trust me on this one. I've been there, done that, and regretted it when I pulled out a tangled mess right before I needed to head out the door. Lesson learned. Now, how often should you wash your wig? That really depends on how often you wear it and how much you sweat. If you wear it daily, you might want to wash it every 1 to 2 weeks. If you wear it occasionally, maybe once a month or every few wears. Use your judgment. If it looks dull, feels sticky, or smells anything less than fresh, it's probably time for a wash. One last tip, my amazing friends. Invest in a good quality wig. It really does make a difference in terms of how it looks, feels, and how long it lasts. You don't have to break the bank, but a decent wig will give you so much more joy and confidence in the long run. And remember, wearing a wig is about self-expression, it's about exploring your identity, and it's about feeling absolutely amazing in your own skin, or in this case, in your fabulous synthetic hair. Don't let a dull wig dim your sparkle. So there you have it, a complete guide to washing and styling your synthetic wigs. I hope these tips help you keep your wigs looking fresh and ready for anything. It's truly empowering to know you can take care of your essentials, whether it's your everyday wardrobe or your special occasion wig. Every step in our journey of self-discovery and self-expression, no matter how small, adds to our confidence and our joy. And that's what My Life, My Rules is all about, isn't it? Living authentically, embracing who you are, and doing it with style. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more incredible people like you. And I would love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your favorite wig maintenance tips? Do you have any go-to products? Share your experiences, your struggles, and your successes. Let's build this community together. Thank you so much for watching till now. It means the world to have you here. This community is all about empowering each other and celebrating the incredible journeys of everyone on their path to living authentically. If you're ever feeling lost or alone, remember you have a whole family here for you. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's keep inspiring each other, sending you all the love and strength in the world. Until next time, live your life by your rules.